is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Mom's Dry Noodle Surfmama. This is their Goose Oil Zhajiang noodle, and I'm excited to try that. It's from Taiwan, and so we've got this sachet full of sauce, and then we got these noodles here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm excited. Can you tell? Normally with this I would put a fried egg, but we are out of eggs. I gotta go to the store and get my happy eggs sometime soon. So we're gonna drop this in. It says 3 to 5. We're gonna do 4. Let me get all these noodles here. These are the best kind of Taiwanese dry noodles, in my opinion, ever. So let's get, I was gonna show you my new poster and my birthday present I got yesterday, but I don't want this stuff to boil over. As soon as I take you guys over there, it'll immediately boil over. So I gotta, and then I gotta put this sachet in when when it gets down to the 3-minute mark. So let's be mellow about this. Let's not cause any accidents. Let's be chill. Turning down the boil a little bit. Cruising along. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Ooh, yeah. No, no, no. I don't want you to boil over. See, if I'm mindful about it, I can keep boiling over, and if I just start blabbing mindlessly, I always forget. Okay. There we go. I think. And now we're going to drop in this sachet. This is the sauce. All these companies like to say, "Oh yeah," and then put it in for this long. But I think everybody puts it in the pot with the boiling water and the noodles, right? Am I right or wrong, or I don't know? But in a separate pot, boil extra water. It's like you're gonna drain this water off, so why not just put the sachet in with it? That's the way I see it. Just well, what can you do? What can be done? Anyways, let's go look at the poster. So, yeah, U District down in Seattle. And check that out. It's a replica Empire Strikes Back Japanese movie poster. I thought that was pretty cool. It was like 1850. That's pretty good. And my buddy Matt, the author, he got me this. It's a space is it reflecting? There we go. Space Battleship Yamato promo leaflet handbill flyer thing. That's rad. So if you're not familiar, that's Starship from Iskandar. That is the Yamato. That's the logo. It was called Star Blazers here in the U.S. So, yeah. Anyways, something heralding to my kidhood. So, yeah, pretty rad. And I think we're just about done. Well, we got a minute to go. We're gonna get there. Hold tight. It's gonna be good. Yeah, we'll need a Drano. I don't know why I always feel like I gotta let go like that with a. It just feels like for fencing, you know. I've never done the fencing thing. That seems like that could be a real mess. You can really swipe somebody good. I don't know. I just don't know. But it is time. 2, 1, now. Okay, so we're gonna take sachet out. Drain our noodles. First, as usual, I will try with noodles and sauce. And then I'm gonna garnish it. Ooh, ooh, that's hot. Ooh. That end's hot too. It worked. Lovely. Saucy. Yeah, oh man, that smells freaking good. Whoa. Whoa, dude. That smells like filling for bowel. Pork bowel. That smells delightful. I'm getting like a note of soy. Oh, wow. It's got a sweetness to it. I didn't expect that. Oh man. Dude. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh my. Holy moly. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, cheers. Spectacular chew. Wow. Look at those. That rippled edge. I love that. I'm stoked. Oh my God. I am enthused. Thankful for this one. This one's freaking wonderful. Wow. Wow. Whoa, whoa, wait, wow, wait, wait, wow, wow. Plate this sucker. What a beaut. Man. I like the other of this new pair of varieties from these guys, but this one, wow. This is quite good. I know. This is my plate for reviewing their dry varieties. I found out that they have a restaurant. Well, they have multiple restaurants, but they're in Taiwan. They got restaurant action there. They've got, I think, one in Hong Kong. And I was like, oh wow, so when I review your stuff, can you like send me a plate from your restaurant? And they did, and that's what that is. That's why it's got the logo on it. So that's pretty rad. I mean, it's already got pork in it, but I'm gonna add some of that. Like so. Definitely some spring onion, scallion, and crushed red pepper. And I'm gonna go with an egg. I gotta say, I gotta do the egg. And not only are they just called eggs, these are happy eggs, ladies and gentlemen. They are from a company that sells eggs, and the company is called Happy Egg. So that's fun, isn't it? I hope so. Whoa, 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 whoa. Some happiness for you. It's been surprising me lately how quick I'm running through all these noodles. I mean, this is the... Well, no, this is only the second one today. You're like, oh, I got one left. It's like, no, this is only the second. Of sesame seed. That's it. Man, the meat in this one, the noodle in this one is absolutely like my favorite. I am thrilled. This is a contender. Indeed. Come on, Rotato, do your stuff. Cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, if you find that, get it. It's huge stuff. Next one up, we've got this golden beef sour ramen soup from Ramen Talk of China. And yeah, that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.